Hey y'all, it's Mary and welcome. And I got a box from Ipsy. I wonder if they're trying to get rid of these now since they're going to be changing their name Boxycharm by Ipsy. So we're going to be seeing these as they're getting rid of this and doing the new thing, I would think. So in here are items from the flash sale that they had. And what they are, for me, I call them the $5 bags. So you get two things for $5. And I love, that's my favorite shopping experience on Ipsy, are when they do the flash sale, because those are the best deals. But let's see what's in here. I mean, I really like the box. It's I hardly ever get a box from Ipsy. So anyway, when you open it, it was sealed here. What does it say up there? Oh, to you, from you, okay? And when you open it, it looks like this. Discover yourself. And then there are my bags. I've got 4 bags this time. So I pay $20, and then you do pay the $1.99 fee. And then I have way more value than that, though. Way more value than that. So let's start off with, and this is their little stuffing in there. Let's start off with this. I got this because everybody seems to like this. You know, the bags, oh, here's a bag with strings. The bags used to be that way, but now they, you know, like shrink, I don't know what you call it, seal it, whatever. So everybody likes this brand. This brand has been around a very long time. Hempz, and these are lotions. And this is the pomegranate herbal body butter. And this one is sweet pineapple and honey melon herbal body butter. Okay. And these are 1.5 ounces or 1.8? 1.8 ounce. So these are valued at $6.75 each. People rave about them for their hands. You know, it's been around a long, long time. You know, this brand, but I've never really tried it. I just really don't like, I shouldn't say I don't like, I just never tend toward anything with hemp. But since this was $5 for the 2, I thought it would be a good time to try it. So I'm gonna say that it's probably, yeah, it's sealed. So I won't try it right this minute. But these also, you know, this size is perfect to throw in your purse. You know, then you've got some good hand lotion when you need it. So $6.75 each, so that's a value of $13, and I paid $5. So next we have, what else we have? I've got some lippies. Now this is the old-fashioned little bag, and it's in a knot, so I'm just going to cut it anyway. So it just seems like they're getting rid of everything with this new thing, you know, this new moving together thing. All right, this was called, they always have little names to the packages. This was called Smooth and Silky Skin Set. So this one is called the Legendary Lip Set. Okay, and this is let me see, why am I not? All right, this is a deluxe sample. This full size would be $21. So this is about $9.33. This is the brand Beauty for Real. It's a very beautiful lip gloss. Very pretty color. If I can find my magnifying glass right here. Oh, I can see that. That's big. It's called Maxed Out. And Legendary Lips. This is valued at $33.33, and I paid $5. Yeah, Maxed Out. That's beautiful. Okay, blue. But I have so many lippies going, and I know I bought it, but I bought it for this, for the complex culture. All right, this is called Legend, and I'll tell you, I think I already have this, but I don't care. It's complex culture, and their products are so gorgeous. And $5. This is full size. This one isn't, but doesn't that look really close to full size? It was about it wasn't 1/3. It was a little over 1/3 of the size. I looked these things up on the websites. There's complex culture, and it's a magnet closure, and it's stunning, stunning, stunning. And I really think I have it already. And then it is a magnet closure. So this is valued at $24. $24, and I paid $2.50. So $5 for this Legendary Lips set. And I'm thinking, let's see what I got. Here's some, yeah, here it is. I already have it. But I just couldn't pass it up. Even if I give it to, you know, in a giveaway, I can't pass it up. Let me swatch it because it's stunning. Look at that. Oh my goodness. Gorgeous, gorgeous. I mean, that's one swipe. One swipe, y'all. One swipe. I should have put it on. I'm giving my Pat McGrath a second chance. It's just, you know, very basic, but it's nice. But wow. Wow, I love that. Okay, so I did not touch this one. Going back in the box. And then I have this one. This one is called the Buttery Soft Hand Set. And it was, again, $5. Always $5 for these bags. And the value is $34. So in this bag is this nail polish. It's called People of Color. And look at that gorgeous gold. Oh, I absolutely love that. You know, I can't wear nail polish on my fingernails. That's why I wear the press-ons. But this I can do on my toes. I just can't. I have to, if I'm going to do my toes, I have to have someone else take off the polish because I can't use nail polish remover. I could, but then I break out on my fingers. But I can use this for, take it with me to get a pedicure. I haven't had a pedicure in a long time, y'all, since COVID. But I used to get them somewhat regular. But I love that gold. And this is a full size. And it's gorgeous. And that's valued at $11. And I paid $5 for both of these, okay? And then this right here. This is a product that we get in Margot Elena. Margot Elena, which I love, but it's too expensive to buy that regularly for me. So this is the Tokyo Milk Marquis de Posay Light, it says, and Soul Shea Butter Hand Cream. And look at, there's like a real heart on there. And then this is the other side. The packaging is beautiful. And then how this opens, I think it's going to be like a tray that pulls out. It's always beautifully packaged. And it's wonderful stuff. Oh, except I can't get it open. Okay, it pulls out like that. And this is it here. It was really shoved in there. There's the tray. Usually these are so nicely, see, this is really hard box. It's usually something that you can use. You know, you can use these in your drawer and put things in it. So it is a luxury lotion. Now this container is plastic, and these used to be metal. So it's just a beautiful packaging all the way around, just beautiful. And let's see if it says, yeah, it's sealed. So I don't know, I don't think that's what I'm smelling, but I can smell something. It's a Shea Butter hand cream, wonderful hand cream, makes a fabulous gift. It's so pretty. It's such a pretty package and everything. So $34, paid $5 for that. And then my last bundle is this. And this one is called Kiss Me Duo. And it is a complex culture item and context lippy. This one is called Hide Your Heart. I don't think I have this one, so let's see what it looks like. It is in a white shrink wrap. Let's see how that, okay. I do like the context lippies that I've received before, you know, already. See, it says context on it. Oh, that's gorgeous too. Gorgeous color. I may have something like that too, but this name for this color is Hide Your Heart. And I don't think I remember that one. Unless it's right here. I have, it's exactly, it's that funny. I must just keep buying these because that's what I have is Hide Your Heart. Okay, so this is, you can see I use it. And there it is swatched. This one on the bottom. This is the complex culture, and this one is the Hide Your Heart. It's beautiful. Again, look at that coverage for just one swipe. So I won't be using these anytime soon. They will be going into future giveaways most likely. And so that is valued at $20 for the Context brand. And then this is the Complex Culture, and this is a lip gloss in Kiss Bliss, and it is valued at, wait a second, it's Kiss Bliss is the name of the lip gloss. It is in Joy to V is the color name. Oh my, look at that, y'all. And that's $18. You know, look at the packaging. The Complex Culture stuff is amazing to me. It is absolutely, I've never seen anything from them that's not gorgeous. And you know, it's just, the packaging is stunning, stunning, stunning. And I do have, if I have this, I'm gonna just, I have a, where is it? Here it is. Now this is the one I have in the gloss. So it is different than that. But once again, I have so many glosses. I'm not going to open this right now. That is, can you see the sparkles in there? I can see it on the camera, but I hope that you guys can. That is a gorgeous, gorgeous gloss. Gorgeous gloss. And this is the one I have. I'll show you how it works because I'm not going to open the other one right now. It has a doe foot in there. And it's a nice big doe foot. And then this is the, you know, it's a gloss, so you see it's less coverage because it's a gloss, but I really like that. And this looks like it's going to be even a little more sheer than that because I can see through. I can see the doe foot in there. I can see the stick in there, and I can't on this one. So anyway, y'all. All right, what do we got? What do we got? We've got $5, $38 value. Let's see, Complex Culture, and this is $33.33 value, $5. $34 value, $5. I had to find it on a list. And $13 value, $5. So my complete total is $118.83. So $119, and I paid $20. So that is, I just love these. Now, you know, when you are looking at these $5 bags, a lot of things are the deluxe samples. And, you know, so they, but, you know, they may be valued a little bit more than the $5. But like this, see, this is a deluxe sample. It's not full size, but this to me is really full size. This will last you a while. And lippies, especially glosses, where you're sticking that doe foot back in there from your germs from your lips. You don't want to keep them forever anyway. So, you know, a bigger one, what's it going to do for you? But there's my lippies, and I'm excited. And this is gorgeous too. Thank y'all for stopping by and seeing my little $5 bags. And a good thing about this merge between Boxy and Ipsy, from what they're saying, is they're going to keep the sales. From both companies, they're going to keep both sales. So we're going to have lots and lots of sales going on. So you can look forward to more of the $5 bags. And I will definitely look forward to it. I think next time, see, I'm here at in my home where my lippies are. And at work, I have a bag of glosses and lipsticks that I wear through the day. And I don't have everything with me. I just, you know, carry a small bag of stuff. So I see that it comes up in the morning, and I'm like, ooh, $2.50 for that. I gotta have it. I gotta have it. That's a $22 value. That's a $28 value. So I end up with duplicates. But like I said, you'll see them in future giveaways probably. Thank y'all for stopping by, and count your blessings. Bye-bye.